Hi everyone! Welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. So if you do too, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. But today we're opening up a beauty box. This is Glossybox for January 2022. And this box is $21. I do have a referral link, or no, it's an affiliate link I will share down below. And if you subscribe for 1 month at a time, you can get your first box for $16. But if you pay or prepay for a full 12 months, you can get your first box for $1. So definitely take advantage of that if you are interested. I think Glossybox has been great. I say this every time. I feel like they just keep improving and I love it. So it's mostly deluxe size, but sometimes you get some full size items too. And sometimes they have a little bit of a variety, but most of the time we'll get the same thing. Maybe like 1 or 2 items will be a little bit varied, but they always wrap it up super cute. Sometimes they have these limited edition boxes, or not even limited edition, just like themes for the month, and the box that it comes in is like extra special. But they are like a thicker cardboard, a nice type box, so you can repurpose them and store things in them. And I keep the ribbon too, especially when it's black. I'm like, maybe I could use that for some future, magical stuff I like to do. We're not talking about that today, we're talking about beauty stuff. So, ooh, oh my gosh. It is jam-packed, and I think I see at least 2 full-size items. I'm trying not to drop it and see if you can see at the same time. So we have a roller here. Wow, I've gotten ones before that were like jade, rose quartz, but this is black marble. Is this the new craze? I don't know anything about it yet. Black marble facial roller. So there's 2 sides, one for your eyes and one for up top. I should put this in the fridge. I get puffy eyes, I talk about this all the time, but like, I never use tools like this. This is a reminder, and I say every time I get one, it's a reminder too, but I don't know. Does anyone have any tricks to like remember to use this? You would think just looking at my face. But does it tell you what black marble does? It penetrates into the skin to reduce the appearance of puffiness around the eyes and skin inflammation. I'm sold. This is by After Spa. Did I say that? Where's the little thing? You know, I might have, or did I peek in this already? But normally there's like a little thing that comes with it that, or did I show you guys? Like right when I open it, right on top of the tissue and the ribbon, there's something with like a beautiful like model usually. It's like a little mini magazine that talks about the items inside. Did I do that? Did I do that? What was it? Show? My bad. It goes right back on. Well, that's cool for cleaning purposes. Oh my god, I got scared. I'm like, no, I really want this. I did do that. I was so distracted. So here's one side. See, it works. So, and then that's the smaller side. Cool. The other full-size item I would say is, yeah, definitely, because how many come in here? 30? Yep, Julep. I love getting stuff like this, even though I know it's probably not that good to use face wipes, blah, 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 but better than nothing, you know, than sleeping with your makeup for us lazy bitches. But this is the Julep Love Your Face Brightening Cleansing Cloth. Gently removes makeup and cleanses the skin. And it's cute. Nice. This lazy girl is excited about this. Remember when Julep had a subscription box? Next up we have, ooh, cool! Invisibobble Innovation. This is their Bun Star. So this is to obviously help, like keep your hair up in a bun. So I love my braid clearly, but sometimes when I'm like editing and stuff on the computer doing whatever, I'll like just have to like put it out of my face sometimes, you know, just like, even though the reason why I braid my hair is to get my hair on my face. And it's like, one day I just started doing it and I just never stopped. But yeah, it actually shows you twisting up your hair and then just putting it in. And it really is invisible. Can you guys even really see it in there? No. No metal. The Traceless Bun Tool. Secures bun, quick and easy to use, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, traceless and hair loving. That's so cool. I can't wait to use it. I'm not ready to put my braid away now, but I'm going to leave it up for when I'm on the computer. Because your girl is filming. This is video 4 out of 5 I plan on filming today. Maybe 4 out of 6 if I film a tarot video. But anyways, I have this, but I haven't used it yet. But I've used similar kinds, or have I used this one? But it's a foot mask. It's a moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil, and they're like little plastic socks. It's like, put them on when you're like watching Netflix or like YouTube. You know, I actually never watch Netflix. I watch YouTube all the time though. And you just put these on. Oh, and this one's only 15 minutes. The ones that peel are the ones that are super long, you know what I mean? But these are really nice. And lavender oil also like kills any like fungus and stuff like that, and bacteria. Not saying you have fungal, bacterial ridden feet, but just so you know, and it's safe to be around cats. Not like you want your cat licking this anyway, so just FYI. Yes. I'm in such a good mood. We have several more things to go. Philip Kingsley. I always feel like it's a fancy person. Bond Builder, Split End Remedy. Yes. Oh my, look at how bad this is. I need to give myself a trim next time I wash my hair. I was gonna do my hair today, but it was too cold here in Florida. It's warmer now. I said the door open before I filmed. It was like in the 60s, which is refreshing. But when I got up, it was 40. I know. Everyone else is in colder places. Like, bitch, shut up. You used to live in Chicago too. Like, I know. But now I'm a little bitch. Now I look. How many times can I say bitch and stuff? This bitch. Does anyone watch Tyler's Hero? Next, by Bloom, we have the Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True. I think this company also has like a tampon subscription. You know, you can get tampons delivered to you each month. They're like organic and stuff. Am I thinking of the right company? Made with all natural ingredients, but with chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant sea kelp. This gentle cleanser will leave you feeling heavenly, like the true goddess you are. I added that one. And then we have one more item left. This is by Codex. I like this. Like, oh my god. I look messier than I thought. I'm like, I'm gonna leave my braid. I look so good. No. Codex Antu Brightening Serum. But doesn't this look nice? I think this is one of those brands that like is also marketing to men, because like there's those men out there that don't want something that's like pink, stars, purple, you know. But this is like anything, honestly, anything can be used for any sex, unless it's like we're talking about tampons, you know, like it doesn't matter, you know, like skincare, but I like this packaging for me even too, but I'm thinking this is one of those brands, or I'm just confusing it, but no matter what I'm saying right now, the point is that I like how it looks, and so do maybe your male partners that need to improve their skincare, because I think if you're watching this, you're doing fine. But this has M3 hibiscus and fruit caramoya. Caramoya, what's that? I don't know, but I'm excited to try it out. But that was everything I have today for my January Glossybox. I'm not sure if the little handout thingy didn't come with it, or if I opened it and misplaced it and got distracted, because it's a cute little magazine too. But anyways, showing you the products is more important. But I think my favorite things are the wipes and the Invisibobble and the roll. Actually, everything I'm going to use, because I really Bond Builder things I'm trying to use more like in my hair care routine, because literally everything. Sweet. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this box, if you want to subscribe again, those codes are, I think it's not codes, I think it's a link and it automatically applies to your cart if you are interested. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. I'm just grateful you guys are here. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.